How's it going? Did you know that video marketing is the #1 business tool small businesses are using to market their business? That's right, if you need more customers, clients, or patients, then you're gonna wanna start creating videos right away before your competition does. My name's Howard Hale, and I wrote the book, Video Marketing Works If You Work It. What's cool about this book is I teach you how to leverage video just for your business. So it doesn't matter whether you're looking for clients, customers, or patients, video marketing can be very effective. I'm going to have a presentation coming up very soon. It's going to be limited seating. I want you to click on the link below because in this presentation, I'm going to give you a live demonstration on how to shoot, edit, and upload video and how you can create videos just using your smartphone. As you can see by this camera shot on number 2, that I'm just using a smartphone. Just an iPhone is all you need to create professional quality videos. So come to my presentation. I know you're gonna love it. And as always, life's short, hit record.